There. You get up.
You want me to put it up? Okay, where should I put it?
Mia, put it on the tree. What noise does the lion make?
Look at that! You gonna hang it on the tree, Mia?
Mia, show me your
Do you want me
favorite
to take the lion? Okay.
ornament.
Thank you. Are you gonna put that on the tree? Not a chance. Maybe. No.
Show mommy.
What do you have?
A baby.